Okay, this is part two, backyard project. I got these from the using a black view phone, cell phone. Gonna be planting these. They're really easy to plant. Just roll them out, get them drenched, soaking wet, and rinse and repeat, and let it grow. And dollarama picked it up for $3.25. Same deal. This one got a different mix of. Here's the difference between. Yep. When it goes over to. It does have say, active uh, lighting compensation, whatever you want to call it. Again, another one for rollout. C'est en français, mais si, donc, si vous parlez français, quand même, c'est là-bas, rollout lettuce, mais I forgot a lot of my French. But practice, that's all it is. See, there's easy instructions. Like I said, roll it out, soak. No brainer. So, anyways, seems like the tomatoes are growing in here. And on top of that, I put beans in there because that's a legume that will supplement any nitrogen that the tomatoes would need. Correct me if I'm wrong. I always stand corrected by the facts. Hey, by the way, watch what I do when I press on my shadow. Everything in my shadow is compensated so I could get a clearer picture of what's in my shadow. That's actually that's fantastic. I was using that when I was taking pictures along my way to dollarama. See, now press this side. This side's going to be focused on, so you don't have to worry a shadow. Or rather, that could compensate. I like this AI. It's using AI. See, look at that. I love that. That's just so neat. Sorry. There's my beautiful little kitty again, my little princess. Actually, she's my little queen. Yeah. Taking another video of you, my love. Because I love you. And you're beautiful. You are absolutely most precious. Yeah, I know. Okay. Anyways, I haven't done anything with the above. Just going to be getting soil soon, and I'm going to do something like that with the. I'm going to be putting herbs in there instead, all year round. Uh, hmm. Yeah, we'll see. Uh, okay, so good news is the parsley is doing good. It's actually pretty nice and green. There you go. This normal perennial, but it grows year after year after year, and apparently all the herbs are like that. And I plan on putting herbs in here and beans. Put strawberries in this area. Still don't know if that's a strawberry nor that one over there in the corner. But les pommes de terre, les patates, Apples of the earth, potatoes. They're growing. Yeah, there's one that's gonna take. Uh, ba, ba. There, I put it there. Onion is still growing. Onion over here is growing too. It's getting richer and stronger in their stems. I'm not too sure about this. It's all good, baby. I'll give you a brushy brush soon. I took this out of the pot. Everything. Hmm. Yeah, I think I screwed up on this one. Oh well. We'll see what happens. Yeah, and this is the corn and sunflowers area with the beans. So I'm going to put the lettuce, I think, around this. Okay, 6 minutes in. Let's get this going. Trying to make these shorts, apparently, as in short videos. Yeah, so this is the way they come out of. There we go. So let's see. Ah, puppy snips. Okay. Yeah, that was a bit of a clumsy performance. Okay. I'm gonna put it this way. I'm gonna try something different. Try to use my brain. I don't claim I have one. I just try to use my brain. Yep, I still got a little bit of time. Ah, beautiful. Okay. Makes sense now. Hand and eye coordination. Never mind. Hey, you. That's exactly what we'll do. We'll do it that way, right? Yeah. Never mind. I'll try to use my brain later. Right now, let's just get it done. Yep. So, basically, a video about, hey, let's just do this. Let's see what happens. But it's easy. Howie, howie. Knocking on pebbles. Not pebbles from Flintstones. There we go. Yeah, second time around. A little better brain use. At least I think it was. Yeah, we'll see what the results are. Velocity is gone. aka water. aka H2O. Okay. So, just 5 minutes of soaking. Yeah, just trying to make it like it sprays because I don't like this nozzle. I need a new one that actually does a mizzle or a drizzle, or one that actually performs the way it's supposed to. It's just a cheapo something. That's all. A little bit of control on your. It works. It's functional, and that's all it is supposed to be. I want to see if I can. Yeah, thank you. That's so much better. I could see a rainbow in the picture, but I don't know how it's gonna turn out in the video. Yeah, I went a little. Yeah, so that's the lettuce, and the other one's multi-leaf lettuce. Got 12 minutes and 50 seconds left. No, not left. Let's write it in. Brain to use. Use my brain. Brain needs to use me. Yeah, properly. Yeah, looks like it's getting soaked nice and wet. I'm not concerned about this cell phone getting wet at all because it's waterproof. And I already dropped it just for the when I was doing the vessel cleaner demo. 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Now it kind of sounds like it's raining. Let's try to focus on this rainbow this time. Yeah, the finer, if I had a drizzle or a mizzle nozzle type, this would be a more fantastic way to produce a rainbow. I promise. Isn't that? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to load this up on YouTube as soon as possible. I want to see what it looks like. Stop.